Hello guys, Art with Grease is back with another session. Yeah, it has been a month or so since I last posted anything. So I've been working on this custom dress using Marvelous Designer 9 based on the dead or alive character Mary Rose. She's wearing this cute Gothic lolly dress. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look at what I based on. So this is just some character art of hers. Yeah, so some cosplayer. Yeah, so basically I'm just created this. My creation is based on some cosplay dress that I found online. I think selling on Taobao or something like that. So yes, you can see the original dress has a lot more details, like the rings on the neck, on the abdomen, on the belt there, and her outer layer black skirt has a lot more details, like some frills and ribbons on the side. There's some rivets over here. Yeah, this one you can see better there. And I think her multi-layer skirt's even more complex. I haven't really worked on the. I have not worked on the sleeve yet. This one is just this is some other pieces from another Daz dress that I have. Actually, her back is a lot more complex as well, with this triangular strap with the ring holding the piece of leather together. So I don't have all these things. But yeah, but I still manage a very close approximate look. So okay, let's take a look on it live. So I'm just gonna put this on the iRay preview. Yeah, I think something is on here. Is it a bit off it? Okay. Yeah, that's a problem having two powerful tools around. You just suck up all your resources. So as you can see on the preview here, she's looking good. Let's turn it around a bit. So as you can see, on the white tube part, I'm missing some. Yeah, there's some frills on top here, and I think there's a black strap as well. So I did not model that. Yeah, but some other pieces I still close, like this, the tuxedo straps. A multi-layer skirt. Yeah, let's take a look at a bit on the ribbon. So the ribbon, when I model it, there are lots of difficulty in creating a ribbon. So I just took a bit of a shortcut. So it's more like a approximation. Like if you see from a few angles, like over here, yeah, it still kind of looks like a ribbon. But when you look at it directly head on, it may look a bit odd. No, I think that's okay unless you are rendering from her back. Yeah, from this side it's still okay. So as you can see, the original dress, yeah, well, she got her trademark rose on the ribbon. And sometimes I think there are even some more frills they add to the side. Well, I don't have all that. Even on the back, I kind of cheated a bit. Like the top is just pure black leather, while the original cosplay dress, I think she's wearing two layer, a white top with that black overall leather thing on top. So all in all, I would say, yeah, the result is pretty sweet. quite satisfied. This is a render before the ribbon is added. It's just a simple render. I don't even put any post work on it. Yeah, this one I just give her hair a bit of a glow. Yeah, I'm going for some abandoned doll look here. So you can see the this simulation is actually done in Marvelous in MD9, because if you try to do something complex like this, you will most definitely explode. So okay, let's take a look at the, let's turn this off. So this is actually how the dress looks like in Marvelous Designer. The ribbons are made from these few components, as you can see. So this is the white tube and the black top. It's made it consists of all the pieces over here. As you can figure out, the triangles are the flaps on her dress. Yeah, let me turn the simulation on. It's like, okay, simulation's turned on. You can actually manipulate the dress a bit. Like, I'm just going to pull this up a bit. So yeah, the MD is a super powerful tool, and you only wish you have this kind of simulation in Daz, because it's in real time and it's like super fast. You can manipulate it, and it's impossible to explode. Even though you do crazy things on it, like you want to yank this ribbon up or something. It's a very powerful tool. So if you want to create your own custom dress, then this is the way to go. It's a enterprise software for professionals to design dress, video game characters, and all kind of stuff. So yeah, I hope to make even more complex things with this, and maybe I have something different to show in a month or two. So yeah, okay, so I wish you best of luck on your artwork and whatever creative projects you are working on. Just give it your best shot. I know that it's difficult, and there are many times that I want to give up as well. So just keep on chugging, stay in the fight. Okay, I'll see you around.